Okay guys, let's try to solve this SQL questions using ChatGPT. So we have to write an SQL query to display all the employees' name and their salary. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll select employee name, this, and we'll select salary, right? So just give a comma and then write salary from table name, and table name is employees. That, that's it. So this is the this should be the possible answer. Now let's check. Yeah, perfect. So this is the correct answer. Now next question. Write a query to show employees hired after. Okay, so we'll select employee name, salary, hire date from table name, employees. Oops, by mistake. Sorry, my bad. From employees, where hire date is equals to. We'll put in inverted commas after. So we'll put greater than. Okay, it's after. So we'll remove this where hire date is this. Now this should be the possible answer. Let's check. Now third question, write a SQL query to list all unique department locations. Select. For unique, there is a function called distinct location from table name, which is departments. So this is pretty much it. Okay guys, it's correct. Next question, write a query to retrieve the names of employees whose name starts with letter A. So I'm not very familiar with the formula, but we'll try. Select employee name from table name, which is employees, where employee name like a modulo. I think the formula is somewhat like this, but we'll see. Okay, that's exactly correct. That's perfect. All right, we'll move to the next question. Write a query to get top 3 highest paid employees. Okay, so firstly, what do we have to fetch? We have to fetch the employee name and salary. So employee name and salary. Okay, from table name is employees, and here we'll do order by function, order by salary, DESC, to print the salary in descending order, and then we just need top 3 highest paid employees. So we'll use limit 3. So that's it. Okay, this is correct again. Now we'll move to the next question. This is a join question. Write a query to display employee names with their department names. So we'll select employee name and so we'll do what e dot employee name and what do we else need department name d dot dep name. Okay, employee names along with the department names. Okay, now we'll do from employees e join departments d on e dot. Now we'll check the common tables. Here it's dept id, here it's dept id, so we'll connect them with this e dot dept id. The tables have been joined and that's it. The table name is employees, not employee. Okay, okay, guys, we made a mistake here. It should be employees. That's it. Other than that, it's correct. Now write a query to show employees who work in HR department and displaying their employee name and dep name. So what we'll do is we'll select employee name and dep name. Common table is dept id. So e dot. This is correct. Okay. Now moving on to the next one. Let's do a self join. List all the employees along with their manager's name. Where is not needed. I think this is it. Okay, so here it should be e dot employee name and m dot employee name as manager name. Okay, from employees each one e dot manager id and m dot employee id. Okay, understood. Question is write a query to list all employees along with the projects they are working on. correct. Again, we move into the next one. Write a query to get the total number of employees in each department showing department name, employee count. Total number of employees. So whenever we have to find the total number, we can count. Oh, we have to write here D. By mistake, I wrote E. Okay. Other than that, everything is right. Write a query to find average salary per department.